Hello children, today I am going to teach you in English grammar. Lesson number 4, this and this, these and the, those. Okay children, this, these, that, those. Okay, lesson number 4 in Sem 2 textbook, page number 56. Okay, lesson 4, this, that, those. See children, this is a bat. For example, see, this means it's a bat. That is a ball. See children, here this is nothing but pronoun. We also use, instead of noun, we are also use I, he, she and it. Yes or no? So like that, this also pronoun. This, that, these and those are also pronouns too. Okay. See, this is a bat. This is a bat. This and that is a ball. We are talking about only one bat and one ball. Yes or no? So this and that for naming word, that means only one. Okay? We are talking about only one particular thing. You have to use this. This and that, see, very near thing, very near surrounding things. Okay? We will use this. Okay? Little far things, we used to tell that. Okay, that is a kite, that is a sun, like that. Okay, see, we use this and that for naming word that mean only one. We use these or those. These are those for naming word which is more than one. More than one. For example, these are books. Very near. These means there are. These are books. These are books. Near. So many books. More than one. We will call it as these. These are books. Okay. Next. Very far. So many are there. Very far. So those are kites. Those are kites. Many are there but very far. More than one but very far. So we will call it as those. Those are kites. Not these are kites. You have to, if very near, so many kites are there means you have to say these are kites. Near. Okay. Very far, so many, more than one are there means you have to say those are. Okay. This means only one naming word. That means only one naming word. Far. These means plural, that is more than one, very near. These and those means more than one but very far. We will call it as those. Okay children, got it? We use this and this for naming word which are near us. Okay? See, and that and those naming words are far from us, very far from us. See, this is a book, very near it is. So, we are going to use this. This is a bat. That is a ball. Okay. These are books. More than one book, very near to us. So, these are books. Those are kites. More than one kite. So, very far we are going to use those. Got it children? See children, lesson 4, this, these, that, those. This, that, these and those are pronouns too. We use this and that for naming words that mean only one. We use these and those for naming words that mean more than one. We use this and these for naming words which are near us. We use that and those for naming words that are far from us. See children, here this is a book. These are books, near but many are there. So these, T-H-E-S-E, this, T-H-I-S. That is an aeroplane. Very far it is, only one aeroplane. So that is an aeroplane. Those are kites. Those. So more than one. So many are there. So kites. Those are kites. This is a flower. This very near, only one. Though these are flowers, near but many. So these are flowers. See children, in the fill in the blanks with this or this. Boy, only one boy. So you have to write this boy. See girl, only one girl. So this girl. Books. Books. These are. These. T-H-E-S-E. These books. Many but near. Dash table. This table. Dash kites. These are children. These kites. Because kites is a plural, right? Kites are plural, more than one. Dash dog. This dog. Only one dog. Boys. These boys. Dash elephant. Only one elephant. So this elephant. Dash bags. These bags. Dash pencil. This pencil. Fill in the blanks with that or those. See, only one cap. Those means very far, many. That means far but only one. That cap. That cap. Buses, many are there. So, those buses. Girl. That girl. Cars. Those cars. Dash man. Only one man. So, that man. Dash pens. Those. Many pens. So, those. Dash apple. Only one apple. So, that. Apple. Dash birds. Those birds. Because S many are there. So dash flags. Those flags. Dash boat. That boat. Got it children? Next. This is a bat. See, match the following. One has been done for you. This is a bat. These are bats. See, this is a bat. Only one bat near. These are bats. Many are there but near. So, that is an egg. That is an egg. Those are eggs. You have to match it. This is an ice cream. These are ice creams. That is a red balloon. Those are red balloons. This is an old house. These are old houses. That is a star. Those are stars. Okay children. Next, tick the correct words given in the bracket. You tick children, this or these. Dash is a tree. Only one tree. So shall I tick this or these? These means we have to use in many. So only one tree we are talking about. So this is a tree. This you have to tick. Next, that these grapes are sour. Grapes many. So these grapes are sour. This or these flowers are beautiful. These flowers are beautiful. That those is my umbrella. That is my umbrella. Rohan, please bring books. That books, those books. Those books. Because many. Those are that books on the table are mine. Dash books on the table are mine books. Those books on the table are mine. These are my toys. These are my toys because are and toys plural. Those are that aeroplane is up in the sky. That aeroplane is up in the sky. We are talking about only one aeroplane. So that aeroplane is up in the sky. That are those clouds are grey in color. Clouds. Again, so those clouds are grey in color. These chairs are new. Chairs. So these chairs are new. Okay, children? Hello children, today again we are move on to the next lesson, lesson number 5, calendar. It's very small children. So calendar, have you seen anywhere calendar children? Yes, we will hang up in our houses, right? Calendar. So calendar shows us days, okay, and weeks. Yes or no children? Months, weeks and days. Okay, see, calendar, it has 12 months. Okay, 12 months in a year. There are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, these are the 12 months in a year. Okay children, the calendar shows us months. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, and April, January, March, January, March, July, August, October and December. It has 31 days children. Okay, 31 days. Okay, what are the months children? January, March, May, July and August, October and December. It has 31 days. Rest of the April, June and September, November, it has 30 days. It has 30 days. And February is special month. It has 28 days. It has 28 days. Every 4 years once. Every 4 years once the leap year will come. Then only the February has 29 days. Okay. The February has 29 days. Okay. In every month there are 4 to 5 weeks. You already know days of the weeks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. These are the days of the week. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Okay. And February is a special month. It has only 28 years. Every 4 years once the February will get it has 29 days. Okay. So children, name the days of the week on which you go to school. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday also sometimes. On which day of the week is school closed? Every Sunday the school will close. Which day comes after Wednesday? After Wednesday. Which day will already learned in previous class. Which day of the week do you like the most, children? Sunday, because you will enjoy a lot, right? Yes. There are 12 months in a year. The name of the month here always begins in capital letter. You should always write in capital letter because these are the special names. Okay? Days of the week and months of the year, always you have to write in a capital letter. Name the months that begin with letter J. See children, J. The January and June, July will start from J. Okay, these 3 months it will start J, letter J. Name the month that end with the letter Y. See children, Y and with letter Y is January, February, May, July. These 4 are the letters. See these 4 months, the last letter is Y. It ends with Y. Which month comes after August? After August, the September will come. After September, October. After October, November. Okay children, in these months there are special days also like Independence Day and Republic Day. Okay, and our birthdays, occasions and festivals we will celebrate. Okay. See children, here this is the calendar. Okay. See, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 1 week. Okay. And begin with the names of the days of the week always begin with the capital letters. Name the days of the week on which you go to school. Monday, days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. See children, every letter, the first letter should be in capital because of these are special names. Days of the week, months of the year, you have to write in capital letter the first letter. On which days of the week is your school closed? Sunday. You have to write Saturday also. Sunday. Which day comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Next, what comes between Friday and Sunday? Saturday. Next, which day of the week do you like the most? Sunday. Okay, children? Next, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the months of the year. Okay. There are 12 months in a year. The name of the months of the year always begin with capital letters. Answer the following questions. Name the months that begin with letter J. I already taught you, right? January, June, July. These 3 months will start the first letter J. Name the months that end with letter Y. January, February, May, M-A-Y, May, J-U-L-Y, July. Okay. These 4 months the end with Y, the letter. Which month comes after August? September. Name the month that comes before April. March. M-A-R-C-H. On which day do we celebrate Independence Day? August 15. When is your birthday? Write your birthday. February 9th. When is your birthday? Write. When is your father's birthday? Write your father's birthday. September 10. When is your mother's birthday? June 26th. You have to complete it. Okay, children? See, this is the lesson calendar. Complete your textbook. Thank you.